Aloha, class. This is Brother Castillo. We are now on to lesson 12. We'll be discussing teaming. Hope everyone had a great week and only 3 weeks left of school. By way of the agenda, we'll do some Did You Know trivia first, recap of lesson 11, talk about the lesson 12 objectives, the assignments that are due for lesson 12, and one final thought. Did you know that despite being one of the top 10 richest men in the world, Ingvar Kamprad, founder of IKEA, lives in a small home, eats at IKEA, and uses the bus? Okay, recap of lesson 11, the Barbara Norris case study. Change is hard. Also, culture matters, as we learned in the case. The culture of an organization and a department has a big impact on their effectiveness. Teamwork is important, collaboration, working well with each other, and being open and trusting each other and being able to communicate with each other is very important. One final thought is the importance of your direct manager, as we learned of what Barbara Norris inherited. There's a saying that employees don't leave a job, they leave a manager. A Gallup poll also said that 50% of employees will leave because of a bad manager. So, some things to consider from lesson 11. All right, let's go on to lesson 12, talk about teaming. We're going to define teaming, examine how teaming can be an effective organizational structure. The assignments that are due for lesson 12. So on Tuesday, you'll have the lesson 12 case study responses to the Patagonia article. It'll be a different format from what you're used to with your case study. So make sure you follow your instructions for your essay, okay? And then complete your readings in the 5 dysfunctions of a team, pages 157 to 194. Due Saturday. First of all, there is no case study discussion, so yay, you get some time back this week. Make sure you do your posts for the reading discussion, and finally take the self-assessment. One final thought. The 2 most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. Love this quote by Mark Twain. All right, everybody, have a great week. I'll see you online. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care. Bye-bye.